What's up with y'all? I'm back again with another video, and today I'm be showing y'all a little master chain that I be doing. I wish somebody would show me this when I first started making music or mixing music. So this is my gift to y'all for real. First I'm gonna show you the song without the mastering chain, and then I'm gonna show you the song with the mastering chain so you can really hear the difference. This is the song without the mastering chain.
It's been some months, it's been some years. I've been on this road so long, switching gears. Thinking about what's next and how I got the keys to life. How you switch up on your man behind his back, that ain't right.
And this is what it sound like with it on.
It's been some months, it's been some years. I've been on this road so long, switching gears. Thinking about what's next and how I got the keys to life. How you switch up on your man behind his back, that ain't right. I'm too focused on this paper, I got money on my side.
That's like night and day to me. That's like night and day to me. So first, to start off the chain, bruh, we got the solid state compressor. When I'm mastering, or I always have a compressor first on my master chain. You know, that's just what I've been taught. That's how I've been doing it for like years now, for real. It gives the song a little depth, and it makes it a little more tighter, in my opinion. So that's what I do. Very light compression though. I'm about to play it for y'all. Very light compression. That's what it sounds like.
It's been some months, it's been some years. I've been on this road so long, switching gears. Thinking about what's next and how I got the key.
It's making it more round, more than like boxy, you know what I'm saying? More than boxy. So moving forward, we got some saturation going on right here. I don't want to say professional, but again, it gives it more body, gives it more depth, makes it more unique, in my opinion. It makes it cut through. So this is with it out. This is what it sounds like without. That's what it sounds like with.
It's been some years. I've been on this road so long, switching gears. Thinking about what's next and how I got the key. It's been some years. I've been on this road so long, switching gears. Thinking about what's next and how I got the keys to life. How you switch up on your man behind his back, that ain't right.
I mean, this gives it a little more body to it. I don't know if y'all can hear it. I hope y'all have your headphones on or some type. I hope y'all have some headphones on or some type of speakers for real. Next we have the ATG mastering plugin, bro. I rarely use this, but for some reason this song I wanted to try something new, and it came out perfectly for real. I think I messed with, this is the default setting for real. I probably messed around with the recovery a little bit with this compressor, and some of the frequencies, like I boosted 64K to give that, you know, that 808 a little boost. And that's pretty much it. And I boosted 8.1K for the vocals and stuff, or like a airy presence, you know, because I like airy vocals for real. So this is what it sounds like without.
It's been some years. I've been on this road so long, switching gears. Thinking about what's next and how I got the keys to life.
And this is what it
It's been some months, it's been some years. I've been on this road so long, switching gears. Thinking about what's next and how I got the keys to life. How you switch up on your man behind his back, that ain't right. I'm too focused on this paper, I got money on my side.
Yes, sir. Slight differences that make up a big difference. You feel me? That's how you want to think about it. Little tweaks here and there. Spread it across different plugins, and then, you know, you clip it at the end. Fresh air. This thing is like gold for real. This thing can make anything sound good. I put it on my beats, I put it on my vocals, and I put it on my mastering chain for real. So I have a lot of high air at 12, sitting at 12. Then I have 7 mid air to give that mid range a boost as well. That's what's really important, that mid range. That's what everybody hears. That's what you hear on the iPhone speaker. That's what you hear mainly on AirPods, which majority of the world is gonna hear your song in. So this is with the plugin on.
It's been some months, it's been some years. I've been on this road so long, switching gears. Thinking about what's next and how I got the keys to life. How you switch up on your man behind his back, that ain't right. I'm too focused on this paper, I got money on my side. I got go.
Straight like that, y'all. And then last but not least, the L1 Ultra Maxer for real. This is gonna make everything louder, bring everything up to par. You know, I'm limiting it at -1, so it's not super clipping. And I got about a threshold of -5.6 for real. Now, mind you, this don't just copy these settings. Especially this part. This part is gonna vary for real. It's gonna vary on how well you gain stage during the mixing process. A ton of factors for real, but you play around with the limiter for real. So this is what it sounds like without.
It's been some months, it's been some years. I've been on this road so long, switching gears.
This is what it sounds like with it on.
It's been some months, it's been some years. I've been on this road so long, switching gears. Thinking about what's next and how I got the keys to life. How you switch up on your man behind his back, that ain't right. I'm too focused on this paper, I got money on my side. I got goals I'm trying to reach, I'm grinding every day and night. Yeah, I came a long way. Yeah, I came a long way, yeah. Had to run the play, I got tired of playing defense.
Night and day for real. You need a limiter on your master track. I'm telling you. That's gonna push it. It's gonna push it in the car. It's gonna push it on your iPhone speakers. It's gonna push it on your AirPods, man. That's like the top 3 places people listen to music on. So yeah. That being said, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope y'all learned some. Let me know what y'all want to learn next. You feel me? I'm quite knowledgeable in this type of stuff. So I appreciate y'all watching the video and hope y'all have a good day.